Welcome to Nanobug Studios, and I got something for you. Me and London Day, he is London Smeagol Day, is playing his video games, so he's not studying my little toy. But he helped me unbox it and charge it up, and now I am going to fly it. And he is
I fell down the first
playing Fortnite. Is that what that is? I don't even know. That's Fortnite?
I rung the bell.
Huh?
I fell down the first second.
London Day? London Day, is that Fortnite?
Yep.
That is Fortnite you play?
No.
Okay. That's a very good game. It has totally
It has Iron Man.
got Iron Man, which is Robert Downey Jr. Okay. And London is playing like people all over the world. So here's what London's going to do. London's setting up a competition, and it's like going to be, let's say $10 a person. The winner will take,
I'm running away as fast as I can.
The winner will take 50% of the pot. So if it's 50%, half the pot. All right. So we're gonna work on that. Put that plan together, and we're gonna have a Fortnite competition. I know nothing of it, but I'm gonna have to learn of it. Okay, this is a globe right here I bought from Roses. They have them as seen on TV kind of stuff, probably in that aisle. But anyway, I'll show you the box. And I really didn't know what to expect. It's kind of misleading. So let me lay it on you. This right here, to me it sounded like it says what does it say? It says right here, it says flashing LED lights, Then it says no remote control needed. Hand sensor gives you total control. So I was assuming that there was a sensor in your hand, and you could control this flying globe and make it fly wherever you want to by pointing your fingers or waving your hand in certain directions. Easy to handle, and watch out. Which was not the case. Here is what this flying globe does. It's still pretty cool, and it has a lot more power than I thought it would have. And another thing is I had to take it apart to find the on-off switch, because it's this little right on the bottom. There's see that I couldn't see that with my eyes, but I can see it with the camera pretty good. It's that little brown switch right there. All right, and that's gonna where are you? Still in Millersville? Yeah, still in Millersville, baby. Here we go. I'm gonna flip this thing on, and I'll show you. I'm probably gonna have to set the camera up somewhere. I gotta hurry because I ain't got much memory on my phone, and this thing's gonna cut me off. All right, there. Okay, let me cut it on. Boom. Okay, got the lights on, and then you hold it up flat like this. If it gets a jolt or whatever, it might have to recharge it. Hold on. If it gets a jolt or hits a wall or something, it stops. But look how the things, this got a lot of power. Then you hold it flat like that, and that goes. And then you hold your hand under it. Well, if you get it too close to the ceiling, it'll stick to the ceiling because of the pressure. But here, let me see. London, hey London, come hold the camera for me, please. Okay, he's stuck in the game. Hold on. Look, I don't know. Look, it shouldn't hit the floor. I guess it bounces off the floor. It shouldn't. It should hover on the floor. Look, so it hovers right there on the floor like this, and it does the same. If you put your hand under it, it senses your hand, of course, and goes high. The thing is, though, is you really ain't got no direction over it. You can't make it. I don't know. Maybe you can if you go real slow. No, I haven't mastered any making it go one direction or the other. I wonder if I could do like that, maybe, and fan it over. I don't know. If I hold my hand over, oh, if it gets too close to the see, I keep losing it. All right, come here. Let's see if I put it. Maybe it'll follow my hand. If I come back this way. Yeah, I have no direction now. See, I wonder if I can improve this somehow by making it where it's pretty cool though. But if you put sensors on this side and this side, and then it would, you know, I don't know, what would it do? It would, I don't know, it would try to get away from that. So would it lean that way or something? I don't know. No, I guess so. It would just, whoa. This, it didn't take long to charge up right out of the box. I mean, like 20 minutes. Oh shit! See, it hit something and it didn't break this time. And it didn't break this time. The lights go to blinking. That means you have to turn it off and back on to make it work again. And it'll take right back off working. Now, I want to be able to make it go certain directions though, or improve it in some way. Like hack it. I don't know. It's pretty strong. I don't know what. It's pretty cool, I guess. Let's see if you. I wonder how high it would go if you put something under it and it constantly thinks something's under it, then it should just keep on going higher and higher and higher and higher. I guess it would. I don't know. Boy, I don't want to do that yet because it'll be gone. I still want to hack with it. So okay, this thing was like $5. What was it? It was it's only at $5.99 at Rose's, or probably got it at Family Dollars and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. The reason I think it's cool is because there's some kind of hack in there. I can turn it into something, make it better, stronger, faster. The $6 million globe light, flying globe. Okay, bye. Thanks for joining me at Manabug Studios.